Hello everyone, today I'm going to install the 30-inch range hood. There's a few parts involved in installation of the 30-inch hood. First is the preparation. The second, how to easily hang up this range hood here. The next is the ductwork. And the last part is an electrical hookup. Let's start with the preparation. Measure the size and the position for cutout base of the cabinet. There's two cutouts, one is for duct, one for the wire. I used the jigsaw to cut the opening for the duct, and the 1-inch step drill bit to drill the hole for the wire. This range hood is over 40 pounds. I put a piece of wood to beef up the strength of this board. For safety, I put a piece of wood here to prevent from damaging the range glass top. Carry and put the range hood on the car jack. There's a board sitting on the car jack, and then lift it up. Use a drill and a long drill bit to turn in 4 mounting screws. Before I use aluminum tape to tape all the connections here, I want to show you how I get to here. Let me take this out. Let me take it out. This is a 7 to 6-inch reducer. This is a coupling. This is a 6-inch 90s. I will show you how I make this coupling. Measure the gap. Draw a line. Use straight snips cut along the line. Clip in and crimp one side, and then the other side. Gently insert, turn, and mount it on the range hood duct adapter. Use aluminum tape to seal the connections. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also hit notification bell. Thanks. Next, prepare electrical utility box and mounted 2 half-inch clamp type cable strain relief connectors. Before you touch any wire, always check if the wire is alive. I use this simple voltage tester to check. You can find these same homeowner safety tools I recommend, link in the description below. After you check this wire is live, the next, you have to turn off the power before you work on. Turn off the circuit breaker. After I turn off the circuit breaker, I use this voltage tester to verify it. There's no power here. Mount the electrical box on the backboard of the cabinet. Put wire into the connectors, and then tighten the clamp. Use the wire nut. Connect the ground wire first, and then line wire. Finally, connect to the neutral wire. Install the electrical box cover. Let's sum up. Tools you need for this project is jigsaw, drill, step drill bit, long drill bit, tape measure, car jack, straight snips, crimper, screwdriver, voltage tester, and a headlight. So I finished installation of the range hood, and including the duct and the electrical hookup. Right now, I turn on the power. I can start. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. Thank you. See you next time.